Oh, hey, 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 hey. Keycap Reviews, Keycap Reviews. You guys want Keycap Reviews? Let me change this out. FragWatch here. Hey man, you guys want Keycap Reviews? I got a lot of them. I got a lot of keyboards. This is the new Black Diamond 75 RT Hall Effect keyboard from Angry Meow and Black Diamond. Dry Studio. These keycaps are Wise Owl. Christmas, I gotta change them out. They're dope. I can do keyboard and keycap reviews. Yeah, let me know. That one's gonna get expensive though, so I might have to get companies to back me on that. This keyboard was like $300. I can't be doing like 4 of those a month. No sir. Good keycaps though. These keycaps from Wise Owl, man, dude, incredible value. Oh my gosh, go out and get some. My God, they're gonna sell out. Like, I hope they sell out. Check them out. You guys want keycap reviews? I probably have 90 sets. No joke, 90 full sets of keycaps. Could review them. I got 4 more coming this month. A bunch of artisan keycaps too. Review those. Let me know. We'll do that. Also headsets, man. And I gotta do the follow-up on this. The Omega. Man, it's fucking falling apart. It's kind of a problem. Alright. FragWatch out. Here, we'll do that song again because I had fun. We're going to be doing that. Hey, 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 hey. Keycap Reviews. Keycap Reviews. FragWatch. And I'll catch you in the next one. Oh, and a belated Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Woo! I wonder how that sounds in auto-tune. I've never